Hello and welcome to the nature. I'm here with a little short video and a little yoga warm-up and some stretching through sun salutations because sometimes your body just needs it. So sit comfortably however you feel that is okay for you. You can always extend your legs. You can connect the index finger and thumb together. Keep the back straight, shoulders relaxed, head aligned with the rest of the spine, and just keep breathing through the nose. Calm down your thoughts and your breath. Slowly you can open your eyes again. Now take an inhale and bring the arms up. And exhale, arms down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time, inhale up. Exhale down. Keep the right hand down, left arm up. And stretch the side of your body. Go wherever you feel comfortable. If you want to go deeper, you can always go up to your elbow and back. And the other side. Stretch up and then to the side. And go wherever it feels comfortable. And back. Inhale, arms up. And half angel, bend the elbows. Keep the chest open. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, half angel. One more time, inhale and exhale. Adding rotation, inhale up, rotation to the right, arms down to the ground. Inhale up and rotation to the left, arms down. Inhale up, rotate to the right. Inhale up and to the left. Arms up and forward fold. Exhale, relax down your head, shoulders, arms, and slowly roll back to the seated. Come on all fours. So bring your knees under the hips and hands under your shoulders. Inhale, cat and cow, look up. And exhale, squeeze the belly in, chin down to the chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Back to the neutral spine. Now keep the core active. Bring the right arm forward, left leg back. If you want, you can bend your leg and reach for your toes, tiger pose. You can push the foot to your hand, look forward, keep the core active, hold the balance, and down. Switch the sides. First, extend the left arm up. Now, right leg back. Core active, keep the balance, bend the knee. Try to find your foot if you want to. Keep breathing and relax. Downward facing dog. Lift the glutes up and you can step from left to right. Stretch the back of the legs. Push the chest down a little bit. Shoulders away from the ears. And slowly walk to the front of your mat, to the forward fold. Bend your knees slightly so you can stack your belly on top of the thighs. You can grab your calves, ankles. And slowly roll up to the standing. Very good. Now we're going with some sun salutations. So keep the glutes active. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands in prayers. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Right leg back, long step. Feet together, plank. You can go to the push-up or you can go through the knees. So push-up down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Move the shoulders away from your ears. Downward facing dog. Lift the glutes up. Right leg forward with inhale between the hands if you can. If you get stuck somewhere, you can always use the arm to help you, or you can kind of wiggle your toes to bring it more forward. Forward fold, feet together. Look up to the ceiling. Oh, there is no ceiling here. Exhale, Namaskar. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, inhale, look up and forward fold. Left leg back. Plank. Push up. Upward facing. Downward facing. Left leg forward. Long step. Forward fold. Look up. And exhale down. And release. Very good. Now keep the stand wide. Bring your toes out and drop your hips down to the goddess pose. You can always use your hands to support your knees or your body on the knees. Now you can wiggle from left to right to release a little bit. Push the knees back. So they should not be collapsing in. They should be more open. Chest is up. Back is straight. Bring the hands in prayers and with inhale, arms up, star pose. Exhale, down to goddess. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up, push to your feet and exhale, down. One more time, inhale, up. Exhale, down. Stand up, bring the arms up, feet forward and forward fold. Go just halfway, keep the back straight as much as you can. Knees a little bit soft, and with next exhale, release down. Let go of your shoulders, your head. Now hands back on your hips, halfway lift, inhale. And slowly stand up. Very good. Now feet together, little bit of balancing poses. So if you don't feel like you can hold the balance, great. You can always use the support of a chair, or you can use a wall or something you have handy. Keep standing on the left leg. Bring the right leg up. Hold the knee closer to your chest. Now with the peace finger of the right hand, grab the right big toe, bring the left arm to the side, and with inhale we're going to extend the leg forward. And you can always stay over here with bent knee, so you are not actually leaning or bending too much. Or if you can extend it fully to the front. Keep the core active, work on the balance. And release and down. Slowly the other side. So standing on the right leg, bring the left knee up. Find your balance. Hold the core active, glutes working as well. Now left hand, peace fingers, grab the left toe and extend. Woohoo! And if you fall, let go of the leg. If you are holding, keep holding. Slowly we're going to release and down. Very good. Feet together a little bit. Again, if the balance is challenging, you can leave them a little bit wider. chair pose. With exhale, squat down, bring the glutes down, keep the core active, tuck your tailbone and bring the arms up. Now I show you from the side as well. So inhale, arms up. Now back should be straight, it should not be arched like this. So tuck the tailbone, squeeze the core. Slowly bring the arms down and stand up. We're going to do 2 more. So exhale, down, inhale, arms up. Go with the arms wherever you are okay with that. Exhale, down, inhale, stand up. One more time. Down, arms up. Arms down, stand up. Very good. Now, through the sun salutation, we go down to the mat. So take an inhale here. Exhale, hands in prayers. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Step back or jump back to the plank. Core active, squeeze the glutes. And just slowly lower your body down to the mat. Cobra. Inhale, lift the chest up, squeeze the glutes. Now don't start with pushing to the arms. Keep it as a baby cobra. Use the back muscles only and release. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. And with the next one, we're going to add the press to the hands. Inhale, up. And you go wherever you feel comfortable. So there shouldn't be pelvis lifting and there shouldn't be any pain in the lower back. Exhale, down. Now keep the core active, come on all fours and sit back to the child's pose. You can keep the knees a little bit wider to go deeper to the stretch. Relax the body over your legs. And slowly roll to the seated on your heels. Stand up on your knees and bring the right leg out. So keep the leg as straight as possible. You can always move it a little bit more forward. You don't want any pain in the hips. Bring the left arm up. Reach high first and with exhale, slide down over the extended leg. So this is gate pose. Try to push the hip out. Keep the chest open, do not collapse. And back. Switching the other side. So standing on the right knee, extend the left leg out. Again, you go wherever it's fine for you. Right arm up and slowly slide down to the side. So you should feel nice stretch in the side of the body. And back. Very good. Bring your legs back together. Now right leg forward like this and half split. So keep the back straight and lean forward. Push the chest to the front. You should feel stretch at the back of the leg. You can always keep the knee a little bit bent, and if you can reach for the ground, you can always bring the hands down. Slowly come back, and we're going to bring the weight forward. So bend the right knee and bring your body more to the front. Now stretching the back leg, the front of the thigh, the quadriceps. Keep the chest up. Now bring the left hand down, right hand on the knee, and push the knee out a little bit. You can always lift the foot slightly to feel stretch in the hip, but if it's painful, you always can stay in the middle. slowly back and switch the sides. So half split, left leg forward. Take an inhale, and with exhale, lean to the front. Feel the stretch at the back of the leg. Now if you flex the foot, you might feel it a little bit more. So go wherever it's okay for you. You can release the hands down. Now slowly come back up, bend the front knee and lift or shift the weight to the front. Right hand down, left hand on the knee, and again push or twist a little bit to feel the stretch. And back and release. Bring your body down, extend the legs forward. Keep the toes active, pointing up, core active, back straight. Inhale, arms up, forward fold. Exhale, reach as far as you are able to. You can always just grab your knees or ankles or reach over your feet. And slowly back. Now bring the right knee to the chest and twist the knee out to the side. Take an inhale, arms up and forward fold. Slowly up and switch the sides. So left knee to the chest. Now bring the knee out to the side. Inhale, arms up, forward fold. And slowly sit up again. Now as you have the legs extended, keep the core active and slowly roll down to your back. Bend your knees and bring them to the chest. You can roll left and right. If I do it, I might roll down the hill, so I don't want to do it too much. Now bring the legs to 90-degree angle, open the arms out to the side. We're going to bring the knees to right side. So drop them slightly to the right. You can always stay a little bit higher. You don't need to bring the legs down completely. Keep the core active, and with the core, lift the legs back and go to the other side. And back. And hug your knees. Extend the left leg down, right leg up, and feel the stretch in the leg. You can press with the left hand to your left hip and bring the right leg out to the side. Support the knee or the whole leg with your right arm and go wherever it feels comfortable. Don't leave the hips. They should stay on the ground. And back to the center. Switch the legs. So bring the knee up. Now arm to the side and leg to the side. Or you can bring the right hand on your hip. Hello, chicken. And back to the center. Now knees back to the chest. Take a deep inhale over here. And with exhale, Shavasana, the corpse pose. Relax the legs down, arms next to the body. You can close your eyes and just keep breathing. I will sit up, but you can stay in Shavasana for a moment. And just keep breathing through the nose. If you want to do a bit of meditation sitting up, you can always sit cross-legged or however you feel like. And just keep breathing through the nose. Focus on your breath. Feel for the chest rising up. And just keep breathing. Your whole body should be relaxing, regenerating. And you can stay in Shavasana as long as you like. You can extend it for a few more minutes. Or if you feel ready, you can start wiggling your fingers and your toes. Gently wake yourself up. And if you were lying down, turn to the right side. And when you feel ready, use your arms to help you sit up. And gently open your eyes. And welcome back. I hope you stretched a little bit as I did. And I wish you a beautiful day. Thank you. Namaste.